Hello everyone. I am very proud to be sharing this amazing platform with all the great minds from the industry. We at Sorti are putting all our efforts for not only a zero waste economy, but a -01. This is our ultimate goal. In a world of digitally integrated millennials who will make up the total one-third of the total global spending by 2020, sustainability needs to be redefined. Imagine an episode of Black Mirror where everyone cashes in their sustainability score. The sustainability score is the fun sum of everything consumed, worn, watched, purchased, and discussed. The daily walk to generate energy in your bio spider silk sneakers, the bike commute, the farm-to-table grocery shopping you've done, the impossible burger you ate for lunch, the algae-dyed Tencel BCI cotton shirt you purchased are digitally recorded into an equation which measures your handprint. Everyone chips in for abundance. The fashion industry is $3 trillion worth. 150 billion pieces were produced alone in 2016. 63% of the supply there will be a 63% supply increase by 2030, spurred by the fast fashion industry. 75% of the textiles produced end up in landfills. 3.5 billion pieces of unworn clothing sit in the consumers of the UK consumers alone. 2,000 liters are needed to produce one shirt, and that is equivalent to a person can drink actually in 3 years. By 2030, the world will only have 60% of the water needed to support the human race. The statistics on the wicked problems of the textile industry urge for action. Consumer awareness, exponential technologies, creative design give birth to a new era of business models and products. We call sustainability responsibility. Can denim create a new living ecosystem? Can textiles provide a means of collecting water from the environment? Can we grow plants out of biodegradable genes? Can we create more with less? Can we take a stand for all the people who make our jeans? Can we wake consumers up to an awareness of true cost? So I was reading on the flight here on the New York Times that China is taking an idea of consumption downgrade, and I think we will see this happening globally. At Sorti, we are thinking more like a software company, and we are using our expertise in engineering to upgrade denim manufacturing and verification for traceability. As we venture forward into the future, we will find that denim will become an active agent in our lives, benefiting our health, our sensory well-being, our environment, and our capacity for shared emotional connections. This actually is in the nature of the denim itself. Our objective is to deliver a clear point of view of what is possible for the future of the denim industry, simply by looking at abundant resources of raw materials, innovative engineering models in manufacturing, and integration of design and technological advancements. We acknowledge all the effort that goes into the making of our jeans. We can accomplish this through platform models and using their value-creating power. These new platform models actually represent $2.6 trillion in market capitalization worldwide, and digital-born organizations are dominating the markets. As platform companies take over product companies, product companies are questioning their business models. Manufacturing is no longer simply about making physical products. As products become less objects of value in their own right and more means for accessing information and experiences, creating and capturing value has moved from delivering physical objects to enabling that access. This is the model we're looking at in Sorti, and we define our model through an understanding of circularity We are calling our platform Future Possibilities. We make room for our existing customers and new customers to create and build value through the IP we provide, as well as our services. This is a very powerful business model. We are launching our Future Possibilities platform that will be a catalyst for manufacturing, process design, innovation, responsible manufacturing, and responsible consumption. Because they go hand in hand. So Future Possibilities is radical responsibility. As nature meets science, we will meet the challenge of translating product into a service that will increase in value and gain competitive edge. To put our industry on a long-term path to prosper financially, socially, and environmentally, the level of change requires a collective approach and more commitment than only realizing incremental improvement. The supply chain will need to convert into a value chain where efforts need to be scaled for impact. At Sorti, the Future Possibilities, we are building an evolving matrix of sustainable materials with a focus on accelerating to close the loop. A recent example of our approach has been the first of many global appearings of the pop-up version of the Future Possibilities in London Shoreditch, where we welcomed both our customers, students, as well as consumers to review our denim curiosities, shop from the vintage collection of 2 denim grooves, review our sustainable line of fabrics. We are also looking forward to launching our closed-loop product line of C2C that is based on a manufacturing expertise and a defined process. Our factories are in Pakistan and Bangladesh, and for some of our customers, it's a long way to travel. So we have an innovation hub in Çorlu, Turkey, where we hold workshops, and another innovation design lab in Amsterdam. So to wrap it up, our roadmap is: first, communicate. Empower consumers to think responsibly. Give all the stakeholders access to knowledge and options. 2, collaborate. Build a common legacy with all the stakeholders. 3, promote circular innovation. Be transparent. Be the modern day makers and be an artisan technologist. Disruptive circular design and technology will unlock resource and waste challenges. We at Sorti believe that our partnership and leadership will move the denim industry forward. We aim to make the impossible become our reality. Thank you all very much.